Hi friends, welcome to my channel Renu's Chat and Talk. If you are new, please do subscribe to my channel, like, comment and share my video with your friends and family. We completed under main verbs, we completed transitive and intransitive verbs, finite, non-finite verbs, regular and irregular verbs. Okay, three parts we completed. And today I'm going to start tenses, but don't get tensed. Okay, follow carefully. We do slowly, one by one, step by step. Every time we do that, so follow carefully. That's all, but don't feel tensed. So I'm going to start tenses today. Okay, so tense. What do you mean by tense? Tense, it indicates time. Main thing is related to time, time of action. Action that is expressed by the verb. Time of action or state also. Sometimes there are some state verbs also there other than action verbs. I will talk to you about those state verbs also now. But we do first action verbs. Time of action. It tense indicates the time of action. When does that action takes place? When did it take place? When will it take place? Like each verb we have three tenses mainly based on the time of action. We have three tenses based on time of action. Okay, present tense, past tense, future tense. The action that takes place in the current means at the present time, it is present tense. The action that took place in the past, that means the time gone by. Okay, the time gone by in the past, that is past tense. And the action that will take place, the time to come, like in future, then it is future tense. The current one, previous one, and coming one. Okay, three: present, past and future. Okay, now we are in present. At the back, past. At the front, future. Like that, you just remember. Again, in these tenses, each tense has four forms or four aspects or four subtenses also they call it as. Okay, four forms. What are those? Simple, simple, continuous, four forms. What are those? Simple one, first one, continuous, perfect and perfect continuous. So three tenses, four aspects. 3 into 4, so total 12 tenses we have. You just see once again, you look at these three tenses, isn't it? Based on time of action, we have three tenses: present, past and future. Again, each tense has four aspects. Each tense has four aspects. So 3 into 4, total 12 tenses. How? If you take like this: simple present tense. First one, simple present tense. What it is, and we do each tense in detail. Okay, what is the structure of the tense? When do we use? What are the negative forms? What are the questions? In each tense we do. Okay, don't worry, but just look at this. What is the first one? Simple present tense. Next one, present continuous tense. Second one, present you take. Present continuous tense. Third one, present perfect tense. Third one. Fourth one, present perfect continuous tense. Okay. So, four. Then fifth one, come to past tense. Again the same, because it too has all these four aspects, isn't it? Simple past tense. Okay. Simple past tense. Fifth one, past continuous tense. Sixth one. Seventh one, then past perfect tense and past perfect continuous tense. Eight. Okay. Similarly, coming to future. Okay. Simple future tense, future continuous tense and future perfect tense, and finally future perfect continuous tense. So total 12 tenses are there. Okay, if you take one chart and do this, like you write the four aspects here and then tenses there, then you get all the 12 tenses you'll get. Okay, present simple present, present continuous, present perfect continuous tense. Four. Then similarly past, simple past, past continuous, past perfect continuous. Future also simple future, future continuous, future perfect continuous tense. Total 12 are there, isn't it? Up to now it is clear. Now today we do the first one, that is simple present tense. We do only one tense today, simple present tense. Okay, next. So let's start. Simple present tense means the actions that take place in the present time. The actions, remember the actions that take place in the present time, in the current time, or simple present. We use at that time simple present. Okay, then what is the structure? Subject, verb, V1. Base verb only we use for all this simple present tense. We use only base verb. That's why only V1. Then object or any other words. Other words. OW means other words. O means object. So subject, V1 plus object or any other words you can write. In this case, but I, we, you, they, okay, v1 we use, so no problem. Then what about third person singular? In this case, when there is simple present tense, you remember we add yes or es or ies, isn't it? Only in this case simple present only, you have to remember that vs we also call v1 plus yes or just vs. And for this, which letters we add? We add S or ES or IES, but only for third person singular, that is he, she, and it. For this only, in simple present tense, we add S or ES or IES. That in simple we call it as VS, V1 plus S or VS. Okay. So if I say I play cricket and they play cricket, we play cricket, and even you play. But when it comes to third person singular, he, immediately you have to add he plays. He plays cricket. She sings a song. She sings a song. It gives milk. Or cow. The cow gives milk. Or it flies. It flies high. The bird flies high. Okay, in such cases, only for he, she, it, you have to add in simple present. For the V1 verb, you have to add S. If they end with O, like do and go, what do? We add ES, isn't it? And then if they end with Y, yes, isn't it? Cry, fly, for those try, why we just drop and we add IES, isn't it? We have learned there the same. So like this, for third person singular, you add yes and then continue. Okay, only that one you have to, important one you remember. Then when do we use simple present? First usage, repeated or regular actions. What are the actions which we do regularly and repeatedly, and mostly they are our habits. They become, once you do the work regularly, once you start anything and do continuously or regularly, it becomes an habit, isn't it? And it talks about even daily routines also. To talk about your daily routines also, we use simple present, or any scheduled events also there, then also we use a simple present tense. How? I get up at 6 o'clock daily. I get up. See, this is simple present, isn't it? I get up at 6 o'clock daily. From this getting up to going to bed, you can use daily routine as one column you can make. And you the time and prepare your daily routines. Everybody can prepare the daily routines. Like I get up at 6 o'clock, I brush my teeth, have shower, take my breakfast, go to school, and come back from school, play for some time, have snacks, and have do my homework, have dinner, and go to bed. So this is almost like this. You can write, but use only simple present for your daily routines. You have to use only simple present. That is important thing. My parents go for a walk regularly in the morning. In the morning, they go for a walk. Okay, it is the regular action. Okay, regularly they do that. He brushes his teeth twice a day. He brushes his teeth twice a day. And here you notice these words also: daily, regularly, twice a day. We use all these only in simple present. Okay, they talk about the frequency of action. Frequency of action. How many times you do, isn't it? How many times you go, all those they talk about. That's why even some more words, I give the list of words which we use for this simple present. When do we use all these frequency of words? Okay, daily, regularly, twice, and even usually, always, never, frequently, occasionally. Okay, so many words are there. Just give the list of words and which we use only in simple present to express your regular actions. We use that frequency of time. Okay, next we do that list of words I give. So I I get up at 6 o'clock daily, isn't it? Daily, regularly, and twice a day, like that you have observed, no, in the examples given. Okay, then the words which we use in simple present to express the frequency of time. So we use these are the list of words. You have to remember this list of words which we use in simple present tense only: always, usually, generally, often, sometimes, occasion. These are adverbs of frequency. Sometimes, occasionally, seldom, rarely, never. Okay. I occasionally wear silk sarees. Whenever there are occasions, at that time only, I wear silk sarees occasionally. Okay. Not, it's not regularly also. In this, you can add even regularly also. Regularly, usually. He always comes comes first. He always comes first. Okay, always means every time he does that. So which action when he does repeatedly, and every time if he does we use always. Seldom means now and then. Okay, I seldom watch movies in theater. I seldom watch movies in theater. I rarely go to theaters. Okay, I never face interviews. Anything you can write using these words. Okay, but you should use in this, whenever you use these adverbs of frequency, you should use only simple present. Okay, then every day or every morning or every evening, every week, every year we go for outing. Out of the station we go to Hyderabad. Every year we go to Hyderabad during summer holidays. Okay, every year we go there. So like that if you do also, then also you have to use it. If it is a regular thing, you have to use simple present, but in that, in this combination you have to use. On Sunday, my friend goes to church on Sunday. My friend goes to church on Sunday. We go to temple on Friday. Okay, any days also on Sunday or on Monday. If it is a regular habit, you can use this simple present. Okay. If he is a hostler, I meet my parents on weekend. I meet my parents on weekend. Okay. Or I do washing clothes or any other works on weekend. I do such works on weekend. That also you can use. Or once a day or twice a day. I have my head bath twice a week. Okay, twice a week. Also you can use because day, week, month and year also. He brushes his teeth twice a day, two times. Okay, twice a day. So it is also a regular one. Or taking head bath or any other actions which you do regularly, then we use these only for simple present tense. Okay, then once again I repeat, we just recollect what we have learned today. First, what is tense? Tense talks about time of action, isn't it? Time of action, that action that takes place in the present or in the past, or that took place in the past or that will take place in the future. So three tenses we have, and each tense has four forms. So totally we have 12 tenses. And I started today simple present tense. And what is the structure? Subject V1 plus object or any other words, that V1, and if it is third person singular, changes into V1 plus yes, ES or IES or simply VS also. Okay, then what is the first use of it? Regular, it talks about repeated action or regular actions. It may be a habit or it is a daily routine or any daily event also. It comes under that, and mainly we use these words. These are the key words which we use in simple present tense to express the frequency of time or frequency of action that takes place. So we use, these are the key words you have to remember. In simple present we use all these words: always, usually, generally, occasionally, regularly, never. Okay, and every day, every morning, or else on Sunday, on Friday, or once a day, once a week, once a year. Okay, so, I will continue this simple present in the next video also. Thank you for watching my video.